Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Best Cosmetics. In this channel I gives review about skincare products. So today I will discuss more about Facts Vitamin C Serum, how to use, benefits, and side effects. But before I start, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Facts Vitamin C Serum helps to brighten and illuminate the skin, it for hydrated and illuminated skin. Hydrate and illuminate your skin with Vitamin C Facial Serum. The face serum packed with vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, water-based serum helps brighten and moisturize the skin to temporarily reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The perfect skin prep before applying makeup for the ultimate glow. Facts Vitamin C Serum work perfectly on the face if you use it regularly as it required, and it helps to get rid of imperfections on the skin. How to use Facts Vitamin C Serum. In the morning, apply a few drops of the serum directly onto cleansed dry skin, gently massage into the skin until fully absorbed. Use only as directed. If product gets into eyes, rinse with water. Try and retain information for future reference. Facts Vitamin C Serum benefits. 1. It brightens the skin. 2. It illuminates the skin. 3. It hydrates the skin. 4. It helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines. 5. It helps to reduce appearance of wrinkles. Side effects of Facts Vitamin C Serum. The Vitamin C Serum has no side effects. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon, so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video.